Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys Samsung phone guys phone 100 mode guys, how can we on. Friends, you want to own guys Samsung phone 100 mode, so how can we on today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After phone setting we will on guys phone search bar, and guys we will search here guys phone guys 100 mode. So as you can see guys, phone 100 mode guys, you can see here. So guys we will tap here guys. Friends, you can see phone 100 mode guys, we will tap here. Friends, you want to use, so guys you can use from here guys. Phone 100 mode guys, you want to use, so guys you can use from here guys. You can see icon show guys how can we on and how to use it. So like that guys, you can use guys your phone 100 mode setting guys, and you can use it. Friends, you can see phone 100 mode setting guys. Friends, you want to adjust, so you can adjust this 100 mode setting, left, right side, down. So like that guy, we can use guys Samsung phone guy phone 100 mode. So are you friends, you understood how to use Samsung phone 100 mode after on it. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.